Okay, hello students, good morning. My name is Dr. Pankaj Kumar Tripathi as assistant professor. So let us start the topic vector analysis. First of all, what we learned on the previous lecture. So in previous lecture we have learned the vector quantity, scalar quantity and also algebraic operation of vector quantity, addition, subtraction. Okay, so first is vector analysis. So we talk about the discussion in the previous lecture, additions, subtraction. So just few seconds I have revised. कि addition, that is very simple method. कि suppose that two vectors add, so simply कि one vector is draw. This is the tail and head. A vector, another vector B, just like a recipe to addition of two vectors, that is B vector and this vector R. R is resultant vector of A plus B. So the direction of resultant vector this A vector and B vector, and subtraction is simply कि B is reverse order, that is opposite direction, then added to A. This vector, that is minus B, this represent to A minus B vector. Okay. So addition and subtraction are very simple. Suppose that you can add more than two vector, so that is similar method, that is A vector, B vector, the resultant vector is this A plus B, again here C vector, this is A, B plus C vector. So you can add it more than 2 or 3 vector, that is simple recipe. In the same way, that is subtraction. After this, vector addition and is also follow the commutative property and associative property. Property of vector addition. Property of vector addition. So that is very simple. Property of vector additions means कि A vector is equal to B vector, B plus A vector. So vector additions, that is two vectors A plus B and B plus A, that is simple recipe कि equivalent vector. So both vectors are commutative property. Associative, here commutative, right? A plus B plus C. So simply A plus B plus C, associative, right? That is vector addition, which is verify the commutative and associative properties. One thing, that is null vector. Null vector means zero vector. Null vector means zero vector. You can add any vector कि A vector plus zero vector, null vector equal to A vector, and again is null vector plus add A vector, that is A vector. So null vector means zero vector. And another is, that is additive rule, unit vector. So that is unit vector is only represent the direction. The magnitude of unit vector is 1. So this unit vector, that is distinct, is represented a cap. Suppose a cap, या height, a cap, या a height. There is unit representation of the unit vector. So a cap equal to vector A upon mod of vector A. To find out the unit vector, the unit vector only represented the direction. The magnitude is 1. अब another is कि addition of vectors, that is triangle method and parallelogram method. So first is addition of, one is the triangle method. Triangle method of vector addition. Okay, triangle method, a triangle law of vector addition. Vector addition, triangle law of vector addition. तो triangle law of vector addition state that कि when two vectors are represented the side of triangle, the side of triangle, suppose कि that is this triangle OAB. OAB is a triangle. So OAB is a triangle, that is two vectors is the side of triangle. Suppose here A vector and B vector. A vector and B vector. The other side which is represented the resultant of the sum of A vector and B vector. A vector and B vector. This is origin means tail, head. B vector का है origin और tail. The direction of A plus B resultant vector. अब simply the magnitude of resultant vector is or and the direction is this alpha. Suppose here angle theta. So that is theta is the angle between A vector and B vector, and alpha is the direction or angle of resultant vector to A vector. Okay, so simply you can derive the triangle method of vector, simple vector algebra. So just here when it's a triangle, let us consider OAB is a triangle, right? Now you can see here कि this line is draw and perpendicular. Okay, so suppose OCB, this is the right angle, 90 degree. Okay, so to find out the resultant vector, magnitude of resultant vector and the direction of resultant vector from this, so from this triangle, from triangle OAB and OCB, so OCB is the right angle triangle. So look at the figure here. This is the also B vector, right angle. So this is perpendicular component, horizontal component. So perpendicular component B sin theta, horizontal component B cos theta. Okay. अब triangle OCB is the right angle triangle according to the Pythagoras theorem. कि here R square equal to R square means OB square. Here first simply OB square equal to OC square plus BC square. Okay, OB square equal to OC square, OC equal to OA plus AC, OA plus AC का whole square plus BC square. Put the value of OA, AC and BC. तो OB equal to R square. Here AC B cos theta का whole square plus B square sin square theta. So simplify this equations. A square B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. Okay, तो B square cos theta, B square sin theta. तो A is common, A square, B square is common, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. तो only B square plus 2ab cos theta, that is r square. तो r equal to under root a square b square plus 2ab cos theta. So look this equation here. R is the resultant magnitude of resultant vector, a is the magnitude of a vector, b is b square magnitude of b vector, and theta is angle between a and b vector. To calculate, and again to calculate the direction of resultant, direction of means alpha. So direction means, note down, okay, create some space. So direction means alpha. So tan alpha equal to same OCA, tan alpha, this perpendicular upon base. So b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta, a plus b cos theta, that is alpha equal to tan inverse, alpha equal to tan inverse b sin theta, okay, upon a plus b cos theta. And another method is very simple method, parallelogram. Parallelogram, law of vector addition, PA, parallelogram, law of vector addition. तो parallelogram of vector addition, so this lies very similar to triangle method. Parallelogram means two vectors a and b, the adjacent side of the parallelogram, and the diagonal which is represented to resultant of a and b vector. Suppose कि here simple to make a parallelogram, okay, so a same a b b same, that is r is the a and b is the adjacent I which is represented to the vector, and r is the resultant vector. So angle is theta, this is alpha. Alpha is angle, alpha is the direction of resultant vector, and theta is the direction of, theta is angle between a and b vector. So simple method you can derive here, draw. So b, this is also theta, okay, so here o, yes, same o a b c and d. So o a b d is a parallelogram, okay, o a b d is the parallelogram, and two adjacent side a oa and od which is represented to the vector a and b, and the angle between a vector a and b is theta. So similar proof, the resultant vector r equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Same here, b sin theta component, and that is b cos theta component, and direction tan alpha equal to b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta. One thing is very important, that is unit vector. Unit vector. So we have already defined कि unit vector, the magnitude is 1, and unit vector is only represented to direction. Only represent to direction. But here, suppose in 3D picture, 3 dimension, 2 dimension, or 1 dimension, so one unit vector is simply, unit vector is represented to a cap, so a cap equal to vector a upon mod a, okay. Up to draw the 3 dimension picture, here x axis, no sorry, origin, x axis, y axis and z axis. Here represented as very convenient, that is xy plane, okay, the x axis, y axis and z axis. here minus x minus y, again minus x, and again minus z. So x axis, that is I cap, j cap and k cap. So I cap, j cap and k cap is the unit vector. I cap represent to the x axis, j cap represent to the y axis, k cap represent to the z axis. Similarly, minus I cap meant minus x axis, minus j cap minus y axis, minus k cap minus z axis. So in 3D, suppose here P is the one point and this point, to draw the position vector. One thing is that is position vector is always draw to the origin. Here some position vector. Okay. Position vector. तो position vector R equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. X y z is coordinate. Okay. X I cap, y j cap and z k cap. I cap, j cap, k cap is the unit vector. So simply to find out the unit vector, the unit vector r cap equal to, so r cap equal to r vector upon mod r. So simply r vector x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap upon magnitude. Suppose ki x means here, let us consider any another component, ki here a component, b component or c component, or maybe 0 a c, right, or in xy plane. So similarly here b a b c, so magnitude a square plus b square plus c square. So in the same, to find out the unit vector in xy plane, okay, xy plane, right, xy plane, yz plane, zx plane. So xy plane means I cap plus j cap. So unit vector, suppose that I cap j cap upon modulus 1 square plus 1 square equal to I cap plus j cap upon under root 2. In the same way, in 3 dimension, 3 unit 3 dimension, so I cap plus j cap plus k cap 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square under root 3. So I think we have clear the vector analysis, simple vector analysis. So I cap, j cap and k cap is the unit vector. It is also called the base vector. Okay, here I cap, j cap and k cap is the unit vector, and this vector it is also called the base vector, right? Okay, so that is everybody have clear? Okay, so we will discuss the next lecture, multiplication of vector quantity. So you can practice some vector addition, subtraction, multiplications, right? Okay, thank you.